Hello everyone. In this video I will explain you how to swap two numbers with using third variable. So first of all write down hash include iostream.h include iostream.h, then hash include conio.h. Sorry, it is a capital, so write down in small. Conio, then write down void main. This is the program that you have to write down in every program these things. Now we have to write a program to switch or swap values of two variables using the third variable. So here we need the three variables. I will declare A, B and C. First of all write down CLR SCR to clear the output screen. Then declare three variables int, three variables. I am declaring A, B, then C. After that we will interchange the value or ask the user to enter the value of two variables. So cout enter two values, then scene A. We have to take two values A and B and interchange them. Like I have explained you in the last program, interchange the value of two variables. Program is same, only we have to change the value using third variable. So here first of all we store the value of A into the variable C. So C equals to A. So whatever, like suppose I enter A equals to 5 and B equals to 10. So C equals to A. So what happened? Value of A is going to store in C. Now we store the value of B to the variable A. So A becomes your 10. Now value of B equals to C. So C becomes 5, B becomes 5. So this is the logic to interchange or swap the value of two variables. Now write down cout print the value A equals to and B equals to B. And to print the next line you will use here to print in the next line, or if you want to give the space, so you can use /t for giving the space. So now we copy this and go to the edit and copy and write down this value before this also. So here go and paste. So this is value before the interchange, and these values are after the interchange. Then get ch and then curly bracket, your program is over. Now first of all we will compile and find out any mistake is there or not. So alt plus F9 you can use, or you can use mouse, go to the compile and compile. So there is no errors, no warnings. Now I will run my program, control F9, run the program, enter two values. Suppose I am entering like a 6, then press enter and 7. So look at that, before the interchange value of A is 6, B equals to 7, and after interchange value of A is 7 and B equals to 6. Now here to go to the print into the new line, here you can use /n for printing in the new line. So to see the output, here use a space or equals to. So again run it. and you see the difference in the output. So suppose I am entering 7, then press enter, and 8. So look at here value. Before the interchange value of A is 7 and B is 8, and after interchange value of A is 8 and B is 7. So this is the logic how to interchange the value of two variables with using third variable. So write down this program in copy and prepare the notes. Thank you. Now quit here. Want to save, then save.